Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this drone which I have received, and this drone, a remark here is that this is a refurbished product, which means we may expect some scratches or something on it, so it's not a new one. It comes in this box, and looking at the box you can see that it actually looks like a very modern, very good drone. It has the engine without the brush. I'm not really sure what they mean with that, but age 14 plus. And what else do we have on the box? Nothing really, just like a general box. Maybe the other side. It has HD camera lens. It can make photos or videos. It can optically fly. One key return, so basically you press something, just come back to you. Headless mode and obstacle avoidance, so it probably avoid the obstacles itself, and speed control, and you can have the gestures. Sounds good to me. Let's open it up, see what we have got. So it comes in this bag, which is a very cool feature actually. So look like this. If you open the bag, see what we have got. So it opens up with the user manual or operating instructions. Look like this. So it's in, let's see, different languages as well. It's in English in here. You can basically just tell you how you can use it. You can use the phone and pretty standard drone stuff. Let's see how it looks like, the drone itself. So it comes with some accessories in here, some replacement for these parts, and some protection layers, I guess. So this is the controller. Pretty cool, I would say. I believe this is the antenna. I see some scratches actually in here, for example. And we have got, I would say, pretty cheap looking plastic, really like a recycled plastic. And this can start, probably these ones can control it. This is the speed, and this one is the rotation and direction. What else we have got in the box? So we have the drone itself. Look like this. So it can be opened this way. There we go. And just a remark is that you should be very careful of this, because these wings are really sharp, so they can really hurt you, or they can actually hurt the TV or the objects you have got around the home. Well, looking at this one, this is the antenna basically. This is one camera it has in here. It has got another camera with gimbal. So this is the camera which can be moving actually. You hear it, so there's an engine controlling the camera directions. So it's HD camera. This one, I'm not sure what sort of camera it is. Then we have got two sensors in here, or probably lights. And here we have a lot of different movement and basically proximity sensors, I guess they are called. So from all four directions. Actually, this could be not a camera. I think this is probably also a proximity sensor. Let's have a look if there is something written somewhere. So there are some small screws actually laying around. I'm not sure where they come from. There's another one here as well. So what we have got is, this is the user manual. What have we got in here? So some information about the controller itself. We have the accessories, basically what they are. You have got about how to fly this. Pretty complex, I would say. So it's different languages. Then we have got another one. What is this one? So this is like, I don't get it. What is this one? It's a kind of user manual as well. It's a quick guide. Quick takeoff guide. So it's actually pretty much same as the other one here, just this one has some pictures. To me it looks like they have like two different versions and they just had some remaining and they just packed it into the box. What else we have? So this is another part. Oh, these ones are the batteries for the drone. Interesting. So basically the batteries, they go in here. Yeah, I think this should be opened and then they will be replaced in there. And again, the drone itself also doesn't look very stable to me and very not that stable. Especially these wings like these, interesting. And they are actually, if you look closely, they are a little bit also hurt. Now I know why it's called refurbished. Nevertheless, I mean, this is a cool thing. I'm not going to try it actually inside the home. It's a little bit dangerous. So probably I would try this somewhere in the open space, somewhere in a park or something, because otherwise it's a bit dangerous. It can really hurt if you do it wrongly. So this is how it can be closed. It has also some protection layers in here for the sides, and probably this one just to sit in. It's mostly. The packaging and the bag is a very smart idea. I think they have done a very good job on that one here. And all in all, very compact packaging. So from quality perspective, doesn't look the best. From price perspective, is affordable, I would say, but all in all, is not, let's say, the best variant for a drone. Probably for the hobby droners could be interesting, or maybe beginners to learn, but definitely not something which you would use for photography. That was a very quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video, and until then, take care and bye bye.